They're dogs. They what? Oh, do I get? It's pretty.
You have to create that, eh?
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute?
Sure, you know, you look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name.
I just want to let you know that he's mine.
No, he's mine.
Guys, we are heading to the bush. Okay, the forest. Heading to the forest. And can I have a stick as well? Pick for me. Pick. Guys, we are heading this other side of the forest. We are so bored. The other side of the island. So we are going. Is it called hiking? This is not hiking, right? We are hiking. These are sticks in case something catches us. In case something attacks us. This is what you're supposed to use to hit it. Amwankao, come on. Have you showed them? Show them Amwankao, the trees, the what are they called?
The rozema.
Cactus.
Characteristics.
Guys, this is part of the island. These things are meant for the island. Like when you come to the island, they're supposed to bring you this side if you want to move around and you're tired of being around. You can come and move around the forest and see whatever that takes place there. So guys, I'm going to be showing you. Come with me, let's go. So guys, let's go. It's very silent here. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening. 6. Hey, Biggie. Are you happy? Come with mommy. Come to mommy, baby. Ooh, the butterfly. Fly away. Fly away.
Called hiking.
We enter the bush. Let me enter. Guys, we are penetrating inside the bush. Inside. What if there is a snake?
Done. Nzatukira ku nyumba y'omulala agamba I'm going to marry you tolina gy'olaga. Darling, nawe. Mama darling.
Guys, we are heading back and we found this other place. I don't know where it is, but let's go back. Venny, wait for me. Oh, this is so nice. Oh wow. Okay, what is that? Something is making noise here. The dogs. The dogs. Hey, what? Out what it get?
The house man.
Guys, there are dogs.
Baby, go. You go alone. You go feel. We're not going any further. I have to go back. This is pretty. Bagenda chikwata.
Guys, this is the most beautiful, I don't know, gazetted house I've ever seen around. What's around? Because I've never been here. Obviously. This is how my future house is going to look like. This is how my future house is going to look like. Wow, guys, do you see this beauty? So amazing. You've gone where the dogs are?
There you are.
Guys, the dogs!
Dogs are chasing.
The dogs are chasing us. Me? Are you serious? What is teaching me in the back? Help me! Help me! Bunzijeko.
Obuchi.
Use this.
I hear you're not supposed to walk in the forest when you're a girl before 7. This is for what? For tea.
Where are you going to get tea from? Please lie us. Where are you going to get the tea from?
Off this, my camping size.
We are picking mujaja for tea. Don't mistake us. Don't mistake us. I'm a cow. Can we go, Venny? So, we are heading back. This is the forest, guys, where we came from. We are going to slope down there and go all the way to it. You see this, guys? Oh, man. This is nice. I don't know what is nice here, but I just like the nature. We came from the other side, that beautiful house. Now we're heading back to the other ugly side of the...
Oh, nature is smelling.
What's smelling?
Nature.
Oh, nature. By the way, guys, it's dark, like it's very dark. It's around 7. Don't get fooled by the light. It's around 7 o'clock in the night. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the red button, like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell so this video will be the
Welcome to my land.
Welcome to my
This
randa.
is all my land.
We are from inspecting her randa.
Since today, call me the young boss. Mutoola.
Banana plantation is a must here in Baganda. You know, guys, we're not from Buganda. Zandi a quarter cast. This thing switches on the light on its own when it's dark. We've arrived the road.
Where's
The road. We have approached it. It has taken us like 15 minutes to come back, right? 15 or 10?
10.
Like 10 minutes to come back here. And do you guys remember this tree? We saw it when you were coming.
Someone told me I have soft.
Welcome back.
So we are done with the bush thing. Next thing we're doing, we're climbing trees. Stay tuned, we are going to climb trees.
Guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to hit the red button, like, share, comment, and please tell a friend to tell a friend.
This is Mukono, by the way.
They already know. I already told them. Tell a friend. What is that?
Jackfruit.
Yeah, tell a friend to like, share, comment, and turn on the notification bell so that each time we post new videos, you'll always be the first to view. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed hiking with us. Is it hiking?
We moved along the forest. We're moving around the forest, yeah.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed moving around the forest with us. And it has come to the end of our stay. Bye.
See you on our next trip.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, baby.
Mm.